Having an electrical problem with your car? Welcome to GEM Electrical and Mechanical Repairs, providing professional mobile auto electrician services across Birmingham and the wider West Midlands. We come to your vehicle to diagnose electrical and electronic faults at your home, workplace, or vehicle location. We can investigate problems including battery drain, wiring and connector faults, starter and alternator issues, warning lights, blown fuses and relays, ECU and control module communication problems, and vehicles that crank but will not start in or do not crank at all. Using professional diagnostic equipment, electrical test equipment, and live vehicle data, we work systematically to identify the actual cause of the fault. We can also diagnose ECU, BCM, Immobiliser, key recognition, and other vehicle electronic module problems where required. Our aim is to find the fault accurately before unnecessary parts are replaced. Whether you have an intermittent electrical problem, a non-starting vehicle, battery issues, or an electronic control module fault, contact GEM Electrical and Mechanical Repairs. Mobile auto electrician services are available across Birmingham and surrounding areas with same-day appointments available when possible. Call or WhatsApp us today on 073 0007 2614 or visit gemrepairs.co.uk at your convenience to arrange an appointment. GEM Electrical and Mechanical Repairs, professional mobile vehicle diagnostics and auto electrical fault finding across Birmingham and the West Midlands.